In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document to a PDF using Dropbox. We all know how important it is to share documents in a format that's accessible and easy to download, and PDFs often provide the best option for maintaining formatting and ease of use. Whether you're sharing with colleagues, friends, or clients, being able to convert your Word documents to PDF format can be crucial. Let's walk through this straightforward process step by step. To start, you'll need to log in to your Dropbox account. You can do this either through a web browser or by using the Dropbox application on your computer. If you don't have an account yet, creating one will allow you to enjoy the benefits of cloud storage and easy file sharing. Once you're logged in, head over to the location where you have stored the Word document you want to convert. Now, when you have located the document, the next step is to perform a right-click on it. This action will open up a context menu with a variety of options. It's essential to note that this right-click can be done on both the web interface and the application, providing you with flexibility in terms of accessing Dropbox. In this context menu, look for an option that says Save As. When you select this, it will present you with different file formats you can choose from. It's necessary to take a moment here, as you'll want to ensure you are converting your document into the correct format. From the available formats, go ahead and select PDF. This selection will initiate the conversion process. Dropbox takes it from here, automatically converting your Word document into a PDF format. This process is generally quick and efficient, with no additional software or complex steps involved. Once the conversion is complete, Dropbox will save the newly created PDF file directly to your Dropbox account. This feature is convenient for keeping everything organized and ensuring your documents are accessible from anywhere. With these steps, your document is now ready to be shared or downloaded, maintaining the exact formatting and layout as the original Word document. As a quick recap, always make sure you're logged into your Dropbox account, have your Word document ready, and choose Save As to convert it to a PDF effortlessly. This simple process ensures your documents are always professional-looking and accessible, providing you with flexibility in how you share or utilize your files. With these easy-to-follow steps, turning your Word documents into PDFs has never been simpler. And there you have it. You're now all set to convert your Word documents to PDF using Dropbox effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more handy tips and tutorials.